First one, first question. Who is Mrs. Fitzgerald? Who is Mrs. Fitzgerald? What does she advise Mrs. Pearson? Who is Mrs. Fitzgerald? What does she advise Mrs. Pearson? Written?
Yes,
Be
ma'am.
little fast in writing. Who is Mrs. Fitzgerald? What does she advise Mrs. Pearson? Next one. What was Mrs. Fitzgerald's opinion? What was Mrs. Fitzgerald's opinion of Mrs. Pearson's attitude? Of Mrs. Pearson's attitude. Written?
Yes.
Next one, what does Mrs. Fitzgerald, you can write down in short, okay? F-I-T-Z dot. What does Mrs. Fitzgerald offer to do for her? अरे written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What did Doris want her mother to do? How did the mother react? What did Doris want her mother to do? How did the mother react?
मैम हाउ के बाद
How did the mother react? Written?
यस मैम
What does Mrs. Pearson, next one, what does Mrs. Pearson have to say to, what does Mrs. Pearson have to say to Cyril, C-Y-R-I-L, that shocks him, that shocks him? Written?
यस मैम
What reason does she give? What reason does she give? She gave Cyril for not making the tea. For not making the tea. What reason does she give Cyril for not making the tea? Next question. What, according to Mrs. Pearson, what, according to Mrs. Pearson, were her plans for the weekends? What, according to Mrs. Pearson, were her plans for the weekends? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Next one. What did Mrs. Pearson say to her husband? What did Mrs. Pearson say to her husband when he was angry with her for not making tea? When he was angry with her for not making tea. What did Mrs. Pearson say to her husband when he was angry with her for not making tea? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
What were the two slips? What were the two slips? What were the two slips that could have let out